a chain or anything?
I promise.
Now, that sounds like a fascinating tour. I might just join you. On second thought, I just remembered what the next stage happened. You have this trip
There is an gate change for Star Tours Flight 610 Star Speeder service to Kashyyyk. Flight 610 will now be departing from Gate 1D. This is a gate change announcement only. Thank you.
That's one kind of town spelling the boy.
You remind me of someone really famous. Jar Jar Binks. Lisa thinks you must hear that all the time.
Hello, you're gonna go to the left-hand side.
Okay.
Look better when. Alright, keep it moving, one foot in front of the other. If that's the way you're built. That's it. Now wait. Please direct your attention to the scanner. The blue scan indicates that you've contracted Dagobah swamp virus. Don't panic. Droids are immune. I'll be fine. Move along. Keep it moving, humans, and try to act less suspicious. Thank you. You have that wild-eyed look of a Corellian smuggler, or even worse, a tourist. Are you sure you're not Rhodian? Because you're coming up green on my scanner. No. Keep walking in the same direction. Enter. Parents, you may be asked to prove that your small children are not Jawas. Thank you in advance for your cooperation. Hi there, how are you doing? I hope you have a nice tour. I hear the cold vacuum of space is beautiful this time of year. Enjoy.
What?
Here you go. Right here he is.
Oh, 1, 1, 3, all right.
Please take a step forward.
R2-D2, thank goodness I caught you. I just received word that the captain is having some sort of technical problem. And that's why I'm the systems analyst and you are the astromech. Don't you tell me to hurry, you overgrown glob of grease. I know exactly what time you depart. You just do your job, and I'll do mine. Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C-3PO, systems analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's acting.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I've got to fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on, shoot, shoot. Tour droids. Really? What? Oh, now this is not funny. This could take longer than I thought.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 129.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Sit up right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get hurt! R2, where are we going? We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! Fix those engines immediately! You know I can't swim! And neither can you! Hello! What a ghastly place! Go away, beastly thing! Go away! Out of save us! A transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it all be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we should go. smashed to pieces. In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, R2! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 claws on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
R2, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out!
Hey, that's my ship. I have a lot of explaining to do.
On behalf of Star Wars, thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
Open the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.